Rest the mind. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rest the mind. This phrase is not only common in English conversations but also carries a deep meaning about relaxation and mental health. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Rest the mind is a phrase that implies taking a break from mental activities to relieve stress or fatigue. It's similar to giving your body a rest after physical exertion, but here, the focus is on mental relaxation. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone is feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or mentally exhausted. Let's look at some examples. 1. After a long day of work, I need to rest my mind, maybe by reading a book or listening to some music. 2. During stressful times, it's important to find ways to rest the mind, like practicing meditation or yoga. These examples show how the phrase can be used in everyday situations to express the need for mental relaxation. Resting the mind is crucial for maintaining mental health and well-being. It helps in reducing stress, improving focus, and enhancing overall life satisfaction. In a fast-paced world, taking time to rest the mind can lead to more productive and fulfilling lives. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, rest the mind, more effectively. Remember, taking care of your mental health is as important as taking care of your physical health. Until next time, take care and don't forget to rest your mind.